Glad I got that on top. Alright.
Hey foodies, and welcome back to Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we're making little mini Halloween cakes. We kind of filmed it a little bit out of order. Don't worry, we'll show you everything that we did. But right now they're in the oven baking. They're just your standard vanilla, normal, white cake. In a bowl we put sugar, flour, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract, 2 eggs at room temperature, and half a cup of softened butter. Alright, so we've made our frosting. I know I said I would show you guys how to make it, but I did not want to dirty up another dish. So I just hand mixed it. It looks like this. It's just your standard vanilla frosting. You wanna try some?
Definitely taste the vanilla. Oh, you want more vanilla?
Yeah, I do. I like vanilla. Probably smells like Martha Stewart's house right now. So I picture her home smelling like. Oh, and then we are gonna decorate it with these sprinkles.
All right.
Have you never played Animal Crossing?
A long time ago.
Grab the sprinkle.
Oh shit.
Oh, sorry. Here you go. Kyra's like, yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Okay.
Really like punch them.
Yeah.
Portion time!
Sprinkles.
We're loving it. We're having fun.
Okay.
Alright, so we decided that we are going to dye it different colors. So this is gonna be orange, and then this one's gonna be black. This one's gonna be black. I just made that situation worse.
Ooh. Oh, that's gonna stay. What?
Oh. Alright, now we're just gonna mix. Oh my gosh, the way I said mix just reminds me of that one episode of Fresh Prince where they're all like trying to like make Thanksgiving dinner. And then like the kids, because they're rich, are kind of spoiled, so then they don't know what they're doing. It was like, so you take this, and you go mix, stir. And then I forgot how it goes the rest of the way. Do you want it darker?
That's gray.
You right. Hey, gray's kind of spooky, cemetery, gravestone.
I mean, that works.
Well, no, you already said that's gray in a weird way.
Don't listen to what people say. Follow your heart.
Okay.
Definitely more orange. I want it bright.
We want vibrancy. Oh my gosh. Alright, so the reason why I'm using a giant bowl for very little volume of frosting is because all my other bowls are dirty. Don't judge me. Oh my gosh. I got more of like darker tombstone colors here.
It works.
Alright, I think this is gonna be as good as it's gonna get because my arms are getting tired. And like, because I don't work with my left arm, it's like dumb, it doesn't know what to do. Other than hold things. Alright. And that's gonna be the color we get. Wait, I'm gonna check on the cakes.
Feel yummy?
Yeah, so the reason why I tasted it, sometimes when you use food coloring, it can depending on the brand, it will change how your food tastes.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just testing it. Alright, we'll come back when we're done decorating the cakes to show you what they look like. I don't know why I just did that.
Praise the Lord.
I put them in the freezer to cool them quickly, and they're so small that they actually cooled pretty quickly. So now we're gonna decorate them with our frosting. Kai has orange frosting, and I have cemetery gray. I'm just gonna call it cemetery gray. It's not black. It was supposed to be, but it's not.
Whop a dollop on there. Maybe a little more than a dollop.
Oh yeah, I put a lot on this one. I'm gonna spread the love. Now the bottom is a little warm, but whatever. We thought about doing a cute design, but then we decided not to do that. This just seems more whimsical and fun, and Halloween is about fun. Fun fact about Halloween that nobody asked for. My dog is turning 4 on Halloween, and it's going to be his birthday. And I think I'm going to make him a cake.
Like a dog cake?
Yeah, like a doggy cake, or most likely just a doggy cupcake, because let's be honest, he ain't gonna eat a whole cake. I mean, he would if I let him. But he's 4 now, so he's gotta, he's getting up there in dog years, so I guess he's gotta watch what he eats now.
Well, I am all out of frosting.
Oh, okay, well, I have plenty. I think, well, yeah, I have some.
Enough for these two?
Yeah, we gonna work it out. I'm so like aggressively patting on it. I'll spread it around in a minute.
This kind of looks like from SpongeBob, some chum from the chum bucket.
Except, unlike at the chum bucket, people will actually want to eat these. Throwing massive shade to plankton for whatever reason.
Oh.
I feel like every episode I spill something. I can't just not spill anything.
That's a list. Oh, there's ice in there. Let me just. Oh.
I'm just really getting everything everywhere. That's really cool with me. Pyro, making his face be sprinkles!
Listen.
You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of Calcifer from Howl's Moving Castle. I wasn't throwing shade, I was just saying. Well, that's just a jacked up monster. That's terrible.
This
That's a
looks like
monster.
in the black and white shows, you know? When they lose their colors.
No!
Oh!
Oh my god.
Just couldn't take my eyes. I mean, you know what?
You have to excuse Cairo.
I'm
He's
just-
been
I'm
working. He works all day.
Crying because you spilled it all.
And the best part about these little cake tins is that they came with lids. So we could just pop it on and hand out. We should put some black sprinkles on that orange one. Woo-hoo. We did it. We have some mini cakes that we can enjoy with our friends at work while they ask us why we decorated them this way. And I hope one of them does not say chum like from SpongeBob. And some of these got a little too much frosting on them, so they're getting smushed in there. Alright, so that's it for today's episode. Thanks for coming on this adventure with us.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh gosh, I have so many sprinkles I need to clean up. Have a good night, everybody!
That's what you to leave.